Oh, whoa, hey, cool, videotaping bike. Hey, you know what? Do some things. Do some things here. You just do you just get on it. It's like that. It's easy. You start it. I'm not gonna. You should know how to start a bike, so I mean, it's not that hard. So to stop, there's a little button here. It says engine stop. Stop. See, stop. You push it and it'll stop. That's what it does. We got this thing. Oh, that's gas. That's gas. You screw it back on, and you hold. Real starting you can do yourself. You have to go up. You want your feet. You want to be all the way on your heels, as far back on your heels. Perfect. Heels, and be standing straight up. Straight up your knees, and bend over, and that's how you ride. Okay? Trust me, it'll work. And then you to get off. You Just like that. That's how you do it. That's how you do it.